Engineering excites me because engineering is everywhere. It's in everything we do, so that just really inspires me. My name's Sam Lewis. I study chemical engineering at the University of Bath, and I've just started my placement at Patheon in Swindon. Patheon is one of the biggest CDMOs in the UK. That's Contract Development and Manufacturing Organisation. The building's so big, but the amount of people as well, and the range of people, it was really big step up to take for me, particularly since I'd not done anything like it before. But the people here have been great. They've really eased me into it, and I'm feeling very at home already. Working in pharmaceuticals is really exciting at the moment, and I think it's one of the most exciting fields in engineering. So as I'm walking around seeing all this different equipment, whether it's kind of screens or pipes, everything comes together to make a process work. So much engineering goes into just making such a small pill, and such a small pill can make such a big difference to the lives of many. So the placements office at the university have been really helpful. They gave me mock interviews and then feedback, which ultimately I think helped me get the job. And they check up on you as well. They'll come and make sure you're being given real responsibilities, and they're always there if you need some advice. I think doing a placement is one of the best decisions you can make in your course. I think that there's so much you can learn from studying, that's great, but the real world skills come from doing. The skills I'm getting are absolutely invaluable to me. My vision for when I finish placement is basically having all the real world knowledge and application to continue with my studies and do a design project. Now that I know how a real project runs from start to finish, I think I'll have such a firm understanding of that by the end. Thinking about how far I've come from the days of just studying chemistry and maths at A level, then taking that through to degree level, doing chemical engineering, and now working for one of the biggest contracting companies in the world even, it's just really amazing.